This drink is called the Bronx Golden Cocktail. We're going to start off here by putting our ice in our glass, like so. Then we're going to do a ½ ounce of dry vermouth. In it goes. ½ ounce of sweet vermouth. So equal parts here of dry vermouth and sweet vermouth. In that goes. Now we're going to do 1 ounce of gin. There we go. After this, you just add orange juice. Sort of eyeball it here, add orange juice to taste. And then here comes the surprising part. Are you ready? Are you ready to be shocked? Egg yolk! Woo! Now, shake this all up together. Shake it pretty vigorously because there is an egg yolk in there and you want it to separate and blend well. Here's my cocktail glass. This is what your Bronx Golden Cocktail is going to look like. It is quite golden, I'll give them that. We're going to garnish this with an orange slice and a little cocktail straw, and you are good to go. Cheers.